Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. In this video, we will demonstrate how to crochet a beautiful pot that can serve multiple purposes. From holding your favorite plants to organizing small items around your home. This project is perfect for all skill levels, so grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Now we will start to making pot. For making part, firstly we will make a magic ring, then make one chain. We will not count this chain as a first single crochet. We will make 8 single crochet into this magic ring. We will count 8 single crochet after this first chain.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just...
After making 8 single crochet, then tighten the thread and attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. Here our first round has completed. From here we will start our second round. At the start of second round, firstly make one chain, then make 2 single crochet at this same stitch, same foundation stitch. Then make 2 single crochet at second stitch, 2 single crochet at third stitch, and 2 single crochet at all stitches to complete this round.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Here we have completed our 2 single crochet at all stitches, and now we have 16 single crochet stitches. Attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. From here we will start our third round. At the start of third round, firstly make one chain, then make 1 single crochet at this same stitch. We will not count the first chain as a first single crochet. After making 1 single crochet at first stitch, then make 2 single crochet at second stitch. Then make 1 single crochet at third stitch and 2 single crochet at fourth stitch. With this ratio, we will complete this round. At the end of third round, we have 24 single crochet. Now attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. We will attach this stitch from back side. After attaching, now turn to front side and make one chain. We will not count this chain as a first single crochet. We will make the first single crochet at the back loop of this same stitch. Now make one single crochet at the back loop of second stitch, one single crochet at the back loop of third stitch. We will make the one single crochet at the back loops of all stitches to complete this round. And here we have complete our fourth round, one single crochet at the back loop of all stitches. Now at the end we will attach last stitch to the first stitch. We will take both loop of first stitch with slip stitch. At the start of fifth round, firstly make one chain. We will not count this chain as a first single crochet. Maybe we will make one single crochet at the same foundation stitch. Then we will make one single crochet at next all stitches and complete this round.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah.
Here we have reached at the end of this round. Now attach last stitch to the back loop of first stitch. We will not take the both loop of first stitch. Now from here we will start our sixth round. At the start of sixth round, firstly make one chain and then make one single crochet at the both loop of this first stitch, this foundation stitch. One chain and one single crochet at the both loop of this stitch. Now we will make one single crochet at next all stitches and complete this round. At the end of this round 6, we will attach last stitch to the first stitch with slip stitch. We will attach last stitch to the back loop of first stitch with slip stitch. After attaching at the start of 7th round, we will make one chain and then make one single crochet at this same stitch, at the both loop of this same stitch. This is our first single crochet. Then we will make one single crochet at next all stitches, and at the end we will attach last stitch to the back loop of first stitch with slip stitch.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
With the pattern of round 7, we will make our round 8, 9 and 10. One chain, one single crochet at the foundation stitch and one single crochet at next all stitches, and at the end attached at the back loop of first stitch.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised.
So here we have complete our 10th rows, and at the end of 10th row we will not attach only back loop of first stitch, we will attach last stitch to the both loop of first stitch with slip stitch. And from here we will start our 11th row. We will make one chain and make one single crochet at the back loop of all stitches. This is our one single crochet at the back loop of first stitch, second single crochet at the back loop of first stitch. We will make one single crochet at the back loop of all stitches.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
At the end of last 11th row, we will attach last stitch to the first stitch with the help of sewing needle.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah.
And here our part has been completed. We will fold the last round on outer side to make its top part. Our little cute mini pot has completed. Viewers, if you like my project, then please give your feedback in comment section below, and subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.